Yes, you just saw magic happen. Oh my goodness, you guys, I am so excited. I am finally upgrading my coffee bar station and I am changing my Keurig out to the Nespresso Vertuo Plus and the Arancino, and I got some coffee syrups with special containers and just like a whole new vibe, whole new setup. I really wanted to elevate my coffee consuming situation and just get a more luxurious experience. I know so many of us are at home now and maybe you're looking to upgrade your routine too. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you and inspiring you with all of that and gadgets and gadgets and fun things. I'm so excited. So before we dive into that whole process, I just want to mention really quickly, if you are new to my channel, new to my face, my name is Ashley Ellix and I am a beauty and lifestyle content creator here on the tube, posting videos 3 times a week. I am not a coffee content creator. I don't have a bunch of coffee videos or anything, but if you want to subscribe, if you like beauty and lifestyle related videos, then that would be awesome. If you are looking for some coffee content creators, I have found 2 girls that I love that have helped me navigate through this whole world into the Nespresso and pods and all that fun stuff, and I will link their channels down in the description box. It's Maison Molly and Ellix Mojica, I believe it is, and check them out after this video because they are very informative. They do fun taste tests, lots of fun coffee content. I am ready to dive into this coffee station, set it all up, and if you want to join me, then that would be great too. Pour yourself a cup of coffee, hang out, and you know the drill. Sit back, hang tight, go ahead and keep on watching. So this is my current coffee setup. I have this little area in my kitchen right next to my refrigerator and my oven. Just the perfect little area for coffee. And I even have a little drawer underneath, some cabinets, you know, all of that. But I've had my Keurig since my husband and I got married, and that was almost 8 years ago. And it's kind of been on the fritz for a while. So I've been researching coffee makers for a little while. I actually got it to work again by doing a major descale. So I'm actually going to be giving that to my sister. She wants to take it. We have a little coffee carousel right there, that little sloth guy holding spoons. I have some loose tea and some marshmallows back there. And I also have the Dolce Gusto espresso type of maker, which is kind of similar to the Nespresso. It's from the same company, Nestle. Okay, so the thing about the Nestle Dolce Gusto machine, in case you missed my original vlog or my Instagram stories, the reason why I'm doing this video is to update you guys that watch my videos and know that I was on the hunt for an espresso machine. Anyways, a couple of you commented on those vlog videos that you have a Dolce Gusto and you love it and you almost like it more than some of the Nespresso machines. However, you were based in the UK and that was way more accessible for you to get coffee pods, which I'm so jealous because I do like the Dolce Gusto machine, but pods in the US are ridiculous. I totally got bait and switched on this unit because we bought it at the mall at like a kiosk during the holidays, and then within 6 months they stopped producing coffee pods for their website and you have to go to Amazon sellers to get them, and Amazon sellers constantly fluctuate the price. Basically a cost per pod for people in the UK are around like $1, which is what Nespresso is for us here, but for us it's like $3 and beyond for one coffee pod, or like a milk and pod combo, which is ridiculous. So it's just out of the world. I'm just so over it. So we're getting rid of the Keurig to my sister, like I said. I don't know what I'm doing with the Dolce Gusto yet, but we loved the way the pours were, so that's what got me researching Nespresso and everything. In case you're wondering, why in the world would you upgrade from like a basic Keurig? Keurig is just gonna give you a more simple, classic black coffee pour. You guys saw that foam that comes out from the Nespresso maker isn't milk, and I was explaining it to Jeff, my husband, and he couldn't wrap his mind around it, but it's not milk. It's the way the coffee is extracted or pressed out. Sorry, I don't know all the technical terms. I'm new to this, but it just creates this crema and it is so beautiful looking and rich and foamy. And to me, the Dolce Gusto machine does not even produce as much crema as the Nespresso machines are producing. And that is what I'm here for. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this stuff. I'm done with the carousel. I don't wanna do that. I'm gonna have a different drawer situation. I'm gonna put my teas in a different area. So let's do that fun takedown, transformation, start unboxing, start putting everything up. That's the crema of this video right here. I didn't know this was coming with coffee pods. That's super exciting. This has 11 of the coffee pods in there. I wonder which ones are in there. That is so exciting! Okay, so this is the start of a very beautiful coffee station. It's very simple right now, and of course I don't have my syrup containers filled yet because they're on the way from Amazon. I'm going to start with vanilla in one and coconut in the other. I actually picked up this little marble set from TJ Maxx in the bathroom section. So this is I forget the name of it, like a catch-all or something. So a little marble tray for that, and I believe this is like a toothbrush holder. So super pretty. It was like $10 and $5, so check your local TJ Maxx or Marshalls for that. I just think that looks really nice. And then I love these containers for the syrups because I didn't really like the look of the coffee syrups, you know, all the different brands just laid about on your counter. So I decided to go with this, and that came as a set of 2 from Amazon. So I'll link those down below as well. And then the long spoons I got from Amazon too, and I think those are super, super pretty, and hopefully I'll put them to use. If I end up wanting to get more syrups, I mean, I can fit one more and put that aside and kind of reorganize it. Or what I could do is get a little shelf for behind it and do one more set, one more tray. I think I'm going to end up doing that. So I'll have a total of like 5 syrups. Yeah. I think I'll do that. Oh, and I also want to get a little glass jar for these cute little marshmallows that I got at TJ Maxx too, because I think those are super cute for the spring, and I'll display them out here somewhere. I just got to kind of rearrange it, play around with it, but this is definitely a good start. I think this is really fun, really like just a whole experience now. The only thing that's bugging me are the cords. If you have any ideas for covering up those cords, let me know. I'll probably take the warning label off because, you know, I know to be careful and all of that. But if there is a way to cover up that I can think of, I definitely will, and I'll update you guys on my Instagram or something. But right now, that is what we're looking at, and I am ready to clean everything and do a coffee, a fresh coffee. So let's do a little taste test. First one, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, here is the moment of truth, right? I don't know about my milk to coffee ratio yet. I don't know, I gotta play around, but let's try this. It's so good. Oh my gosh. I did do a little taste test when it was just the black coffee, and I do drink decaf. Now you might be screaming at the screen now that you know that. Why are you doing all of this? Well, I can't have caffeine because I get anxiety and shakes and pains in my sides. It's the whole thing. I can have like up to 80 milligrams of caffeine, which is like a chai tea latte. The half calves that they make have less than 85. They have 3 different decafs to choose from. They have the espresso. This one was the, I think, a lungo, which is like a 5-ounce pour, and then they have the full full cup of coffee size. That has always been a really big challenge for me because I love coffee. You guys don't understand. I love coffee. Caffeine doesn't love me. So it's trying to navigate and find a way to be able to consume it, but still get that luxury feeling, still get that good flavor that I like in coffee, just without the caffeine. And then also have to take into account my husband Jeff, who does drink caffeine and who loves desserty style drinks. So he has a whole smorgasbord of fun flavors to test out and try as well. But for my little decaf heart right now that has to have decaf but loves real coffee, oh, and that Arrowchino, you guys, that was a big selling point too, because the Vertuo Plus is just coffee only. It does not add any milk at all. The Arrowchino will froth your milk either hot or cold. And as you saw, the Arrowchino gave a really, really nice foam. Oh, it is so good. Let's kind of stir it in. It's just so smooth. It's not bitter at all. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna go enjoy my cup of coffee. Thank you so much for joining me today while I set up my whole little station. I'm gonna be adding more to it. Let me know if you want an update video in the future. If this was enough, that's fine too, but I had a fun time and thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you subscribe before you go so I don't get lost in the YouTube sauce, and then you can follow me over on Instagram where I'll probably do more quicker updates and things like that when I add accessories and things and figure out this cord situation that's driving me crazy. But yeah, thank you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye!